What's up everyone, it's Mayank. Today I'm going to do my top 5 features of the brand new iPad. Before I get into it, I just want to express my deepest condolences to all the Google employees, especially the ones that are working at the YouTube headquarters. If you don't know what happened, a couple days ago there was a shooting at the YouTube headquarters. I've scrolled on to the middle of this news article. I don't want to scroll up to the top because the shooter's image is at the top. And I also want to say a huge thank you to the city, San Bruno, and the police there because they responded within 2 minutes of this shooting and they were able to defuse the situation quite quickly. Here's the iPad. There's a lot of changes to this. So my top 5 features are as follows. So the first one is going to be the A10 chip. It's the same chip that was in the iPhone 7. And with this chip, you're able to do a lot of things, including editing 4K videos on your iPad, as well as it's a 64-bit architecture. So it's 4-core design. 2 cores are for high performance and 2 are for low performance. Alright, so what that translates into is when you're dealing with any intense tasks, the iPad will be able to handle it without any issues. But when you do any low performance tasks such as like browsing the web or sending an email, it'll activate those low cores, which translates into a longer battery life on your iPad. Alright, so number 2, I know this is overlooked all the time, but we still have the headphone jack. So you can use any of your 3.5mm headphones with your iPad, and you can also use the lightning port as an audio output. So the third thing that I love about the iPad is the brand new screen, is the 9.7-inch screen factor. It's not too big as the iPad Pro is. It's quite comfortable to hold in your hand, and even when you're consuming content, it's easy to just hold from the sides over here without even touching the screen. Really nice screen, and it's really bright. Alright, the next thing that I love about this iPad is with the inclusion of the A10 chip. It's AR ready, which is augmented reality. I'll leave a link for this application right below the like button. So what you're able to do is you're able to bring different types. You're able to bring different types of arts and cultures, the images that BBC has recorded, and place it onto any surface area in your house or outside. So you can do a globe outside, sculptures, and much more. And the last thing that I love about the iPad, which gets overlooked all the time, is the Touch ID. So the Touch ID is a really fast and secure login system designed by Apple. What you do is you register a fingerprint. I registered my thumb, and you can use that to log into your iPad, but also to make purchases using Apple Pay. Super simple to log in. You just bring it up and tap it and you're in. It's super simple to use if you're purchasing apps or installing apps. You select the app that you want to get, and what's going to pop up is the app as well as your account information, and it's going to prompt you to Touch ID to install. Just bring your thumb up to the Touch ID sensor, and once you hear that, you're good to go, and your app will start to install immediately. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because there's more videos coming up shortly. I'm going to be doing a review of the iPad. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.